Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can screen record on your Thinkphone by Motorola. For that you need to go to your drop down menu and then swipe to your right, and then you have screen record here. We can press on it and then say start recording. While recording, Android system can capture any sensitive information that's visible on your screen or played on your device. This includes passwords, payment info, photos, messages and audio. So we can say start and then we get a little countdown here. Now it's recording, it vibrates. We can enable our selfie cam here. We can click on the microphone and then say sound system only, mic system and sound or mute. We're going to say mic and sound system, so it should record my voice now as well. And then we can also write on it. I don't see that on the black here, but yeah, we can write on it as well. And then we can just stop the recording. And then we should get a notification, video saved to screen record folder. And if we go to our photos now, go back here then and go to our library, we have screen record here, and then this is our screen recording. So this is our recording. You could also hear my voice, and let's go back actually. Yeah, we can write on it. Pause it, and now we can also edit it. We can crop it, adjust it, put filters on it, and whatsoever. So that's how you can screen record on your Thinkphone by Motorola. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.